In today's video, I will teach you how to create a shield symbol in GIMP. Let's get started. First, open GIMP and create a new image with a size of 320 to 240 pixels. Then fill the background with a light gray color. Now select the Path tool from the toolbox, then click to create 3 points, forming a triangle-like shape for the shield. Then adjust the 2 top points by dragging them while holding the Control key to form the correct shape. Then convert your path to a selection, create a new layer named Basic Form. Then fill the selection with white. Now go to Filters, Light and Shadow, then Drop Shadow. And you can use these following settings. Then click OK. Now create a new layer named Shadow. Then apply a black layer mask. On the Basic Form layer, select the alpha channel by right-clicking and choosing Alpha to Selection. Then fill the selection with white on the mask of the shadow layer. Now deactivate the selection by going to Select, then None. Now, from the toolbox, select the Gradient tool and set the mode to Color to Transparency. Then apply a gradient like this. Now set the opacity of the shadow layer between 10 and 30. Now we're going to define the shield shape. To do this, start by adding a new layer named Form. Then fill it with white. Now right-click on the Basic Form layer, then select Alpha to Selection. Then shrink the selection by going to Select, then Shrink, then set the value to 2 pixels. Now fill the selection with black, deselect by pressing Ctrl D, and draw a white line across the shield shape. And you can hold the Shift key for straight lines. Now, apply a Gaussian blur with a radius of 5. Then go to Colors, then Curves to adjust the curve for a smoother border. Then convert white to transparency by going to Colors, then Color to Alpha, then select white. Now, hide this layer. Now duplicate the Form layer and make it visible. Now rename it to Color. Now lock the Alpha channel using the lock icon at the top of the Layers dialog, and fill the layer with your desired color. Now add a new layer named Shadow Color. Now select the Basic Form layer, then select Alpha to Selection. Then shrink the selection by 2 pixels. Then use the Gradient tool, then set the shape to Angular, then reverse the direction, and apply a gradient to create a shadow effect. Now duplicate the shadow layer, clear its contents, and move it to the top of the layers list. Then set the opacity to 100%, then set the gradient to white to transparency, then set the gradient shape to linear, then create a highlight effect on the shield. Now hide the background layer, then go to Edit, select Copy Visible, then go to Edit, then Paste as a new layer. Then show the background layer again, then flip this new layer vertically by going to Layer, Transform, then flip vertically. Then move it downwards. Then add a layer mask and apply a blend to create a reflective surface. Then set its opacity to 30%. Now, add a short text in a light color and rotate it by -45 degrees Then position it in the top middle of the shield. Then apply a drop shadow with a radius of 5 to give it some depth. And make any final adjustments as needed. And that's it, you've created a detailed shield symbol in GIMP. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.